All right, guy. You see all the airplanes here. Okay, these are not toy airplanes. All right. So what you're looking at right now is the Mojave Commercial Airline storage here in Mojave, California. You have Japan Airlines, a lot of Japan Airline planes here. All right. And you have China Southern. They have one, two, three A380s. All right. So if you look here, there are more planes over there. Look, right? Let me zoom in to see all of these World Airlines here. Here, you can see. You can see the Lufthansa 747 being stored here, right? A lot of Lufthansa 747. Look at that. And you have KLM. All of these major international airlines here at Mojave Commercial Airline storage facility here in Mojave. Look at that. All right, everybody, have